Hi guys, I finished with my first cook, which was the veggie. I tasted it was so nice. So unfortunate I couldn't let you, have a taste as well, cause here. But I did all the testing and eating as well. I decided to cook something else right after that, because I still have vegetables left and I don't want them to go bad, so I decided to do something new. So I'm going to cook fried rice with the rest of the veggie left. So I have already cooked my rice. Yeah, so cooked rice. And so let's start. So we'll proceed with the cutting of the vegetables, and then right after that we do the frying. All right, so let me wash my hands and then start cutting. Done with the cutting, so we'll start frying.